Hello and welcome to another episode of Lithos Learns. Today I'll be showing you how to make these felted geodes. Let's get started. Okay, for this project you're going to need 5 to 7 colors of roving wool, some dish soap, a bowl of warm water, and a couple of rubber bands. To start, you're going to pick your first color, which is going to be the middle of your geode. You are then going to dip it into the water, wring it out, and put a drop of dish soap in it. Roll the wool between your hands for 5 minutes. It's important to do the full 5 minutes, otherwise you'll find that the layers of your geode are not fully stuck together and may come apart. You can dip the ball back into the water if it gets too soapy. You'll know it's done when it starts to feel as firm as a cherry tomato. Pick your second color and break it into 2 pieces. You'll then want to wrap it around the first ball in opposite directions as shown here. It doesn't matter if it starts off wet or dry. After it's wrapped, you're going to want to repeat the steps from the first section. Dip it in the water, add some soap, and roll it between your hands. Again, make sure to do this for 5 full minutes. Repeat those steps for all the remaining layers. When all your layers are done, wrap the geode in a couple of rubber bands. This will create some interesting textures as it dries. Set your geode aside and let it dry for at least 24 hours. Once your geode is dry, remove the rubber bands. Begin to cut the geode in half with a sharp pair of scissors. It can be kind of tough to get through, so don't be afraid to ask for help. I hope you enjoyed this project. Remember to like and subscribe to be notified for when we post new videos. Thank you for watching!